guys, welcome back. I'm gonna put this on F1, and then Ryan said he wants to keep his pages on. So, BRB. Okay, so
wonderful experience. This is
didn't do anything
this has been an opportunity of a lifetime. Let's go home, Jeff.
yes, sister.
Let's go home. Maybe I can get the guys to sign this for me.
Yes, what you call it?
Next time on the Big Break,
Just thinking, do my job, and let's hope it's not me.
the field narrows as Mother Nature throws in a challenge of her own.
I think everyone thinks we're really heavy up here, and I just want to make sure you guys know. They don't know about it because it can get cold out there.
You like the movie? You like the movie?
We're just, I think, mentally just trying to get all prepared for the weather.
What's the strategy with one towel?
So they wanted to switch to Bluey.
Today, I think, in this weather.
And she looks really happy now. He looks really happy. Dr. Blakey. She even got her teddy bear. She got her binky. He didn't want his binky. He threw it on the floor.
You just gotta gut it out, you know. I'm just curious about you, Frank. You play in the
Where is it? Put it.
What's your attitude about
Put it.
it?
Okay. So now they want to switch to see themselves.
I see you got your rain suit on, Anthony.
He looks so happy.
This turned more into like golf tournaments. There's less people.
They want to switch again to Bluey. And then it might be Peppa Pig, blah, 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 blah. So they started laughing at this. Like, what is that? Like, what? She's happy. Very happy. Sit down, Bud. Why are you so up? And then they with your baby sister.
Okay, guys,
So cute
we're down to
together.
5. We're just going to tell you a little bit about what you're going to be facing today.
Guess what? We're playing golf. We're gonna play golf.
Okay. Hi guys. Guys, say bye. Say bye. You want me to wait for you? Okay. You want me to wait for you soon to be like Peppa?